Hello everyone. Today we are going to create this cool beginner level animation. So let's start Blender. I have turned on my screencast keys and you can refer the bottom left of this screen to start with. Scale the default cube to a smaller size. Select the cube and go to the modifiers icon. Select add modifier. Select array modifier. Set the count to 4 and the relative offset to 1 on x-axis and 0 for other axes. Add another array modifier. Here, set the count to 4 and the relative offset to 1 on y-axis and 0 for other axes. Similarly do this for the z-axis. Now you should have something like this. Now apply all the modifiers starting from top. Select the cube and press Tab to enter edit mode. Then press P to separate the cubes. Select by loose parts. This will separate the cubes to be into individual cubes. And go to object mode. Select all the cubes and go to the materials tab. I'm going to add an orange material for the cubes. Now select all the cubes and go to the Physics tab. Select Rigid Body. Increase the mass to a higher value. I'm going to keep it at 15 kilograms. Change the collision shape to box. Now with all the cubes selected, go to Object. Select Set to Origin. Select Origin to Geometry. This will create an individual origin and center of mass for each cube. Now with the selection active, go to Object again, select Rigid Body and click on Copy from Active. This will apply the rigid body properties to all the cubes that we made. Select some random cubes to see if the physics properties are constant. Now select all the cubes again and press G. Now press Z. And move it to a height along Z-axis. This will be the height of fall for the animation. Now let's add a collision surface for our cubes. Click Shift+A, and select Mesh. Select Plane. Click on S to scale the plane along all axes. With the plane selected, go to the Materials tab and add a new material. I'm adding a white material for the collision plane. I'm going to decrease the roughness to 0.3. Now I'm selecting the material of the cubes and changing the roughness to 0.2. This will give a little shine to the surface. Select the plane again. Go to the Physics tab and select Rigid Body. Set this to passive instead of active. Now play the animation. I'm going to front view by pressing 1 on numpad. Select all the cubes and rotate it by 45 degrees. This will give it more spread once it hits the floor. Now preview the animation. Now we need to set our cameras and lights. Click on Ctrl+Alt+0 on the numpad to lock the camera to current view. Select the camera and go to Camera Settings. Select the focal length and increase it to 90 mm. Press G and drag with the mouse scroll wheel pressed to zoom in and out. Scale the plane to your desired scale and size. Now go to the world settings and set the color to white and strength to 0. You can also change the color to black or any other you like. Now I'm going to add some lights. I like point lamps, so I'm duplicating the present lamp. Select the lamp. Press Shift+D to duplicate the lamp. Set the lighting as per you need. Now go to the output settings. Select the output location and specify a folder for the output. Now go to the render properties and enable ambient occlusion. You can enable bloom and screen space reflections if it suits your scene. Enable motion blur. Go to color management and set the look to medium high contrast. Now set the no of frames to a smaller value. I'm setting it at 120 frames. Your animation is completed. Press Ctrl+F12 to render the animation. Hit like and subscribe to the channel as I will be posting videos like these to the channel. Thank you.